Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add balance in your NameCheap account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then get on the top right corner. Now select account, now select profile. Now get on your left side, scroll down till the last, select billing. Now select this top up button. Now scroll down and select one of these options. Let's go with the card payment. Now select next button. Now here you need to enter the amount that you want to add in your NameCheap account and then select on next button. Now you need to enter the name which is also have to be on your card, and then you need to enter here your billing address like first name, last name, address, city, state, postal code, country, and after filling all of these details you just need to select on next button, and then you need to pay the amount by entering the OTP which they send to your phone number. And that's how you guys can add balance in your NameCheap account. And that's it for the video guys. So if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.